What's up, YouTube? Your boy Big Mix here. I'm doing the Airgun Nation monthly challenge. I got 5 cans spread out from 30 to 50 yards. I got the Avenger .25, Mr. Hawk, and we're gonna see how fast we can get these cans down offhand. I'm about to do the weekly challenge. I got 1 day to hand it in. So we got 30-yard can, 35, 40, 45, and 50. This is the, I guess it went in that way. This was at 30, 35. Can I hit previously, but I think I hit across the top. Alright, this was at 40. I don't see where I hit it, but I must have nicked it right there, enough to knock it down. 45. And this is at 50. Well, that's it. Have fun with this challenge. Hope I get it in before the last day of August. Having fun with the Avenger .25. Thanks for watching.